Well, literally nothing I can do about it right now. The turbine blew loose from the anchor on the roof. The couch literally blew away. I'm not sure if it blew off the roof. Yeah, the couch appears to be gone. The turbine is going. I've never seen one like this outside of a hurricane. So that's what I'm going to figure out in the morning. Doesn't really feel safe trying to get up there and re-anchor at that right now with the gusts the way they are. So, yeah, just general fuckery. Let's see if I can secure that rope this way. Anyway, off the camera. Last fucking day, man. Last fucking day. It's pulling the tripod up. I don't even know what to do right now. Standing here watching it isn't helping, but I don't know what the fuck to do. That's almost there it went. The turbine went down, the pole broke, and it shattered on the roof. So, yeah, man, last fucking day, couch blew off, turbine broke off, shattered on the roof. Oh wow, even the camera and the flagpole blew down. Last day. I mean, I knew I had a few chores to do in the morning before I pulled out, but here's the camera busted off the pole. There's the shattered turbine. I mean, it saved me a little work, but that's wiring connected. But I need to figure out that there's lightning. Disconnected from the charge controller. I don't even fucking care about the awning right now. I have to go up on the roof to disconnect the turbine cables. So if you don't hear from me again, that's what happened. I know you guys I'm picking up pieces of turbine. I know you guys are asking, why didn't you just grab that rope and secure it? I can't describe how hard those winds were. When I did grab the rope, I immediately got a rope burn, but there was also nothing to secure it to. In order for me to have stabilized it from the front, I would have had to gone on the roof and all of that, risk getting blown off, and poor baby, tie it as high as I could and then come back down, hoist it forward and then figure out a way to secure it into the ground with one hand, and that just wasn't possible. I mean, my brain was in survival mode, so the turbine was expendable. My body parts are not. Contrary to some people's belief, maybe, I don't know, but it just wasn't worth the risk. So the best thing I could do at the moment was just watch it happen. And those pieces flew. When I am up on the roof tomorrow unsecuring it, I just went up and assessed the damage up there. I will show you how it just bent like a tin can. Once that stabilizing bar went, the whole engineering of it failed. That stabilizing bar, was what gave it the stability. It was a good design. It was just an unusual and outrageously torrential storm. It was definitely hurricane force winds. blew that whole couch off the roof. So the funny thing about that couch, I had already decided it was too cumbersome a plan. So I already found something to replace it with, but I needed to get to a secure place and, you know, find someone to help me get it down and find somewhere to give it a good home, because it's a really nice couch. It was like $350. I really like the design of it. It's just too much for what I wanted. Served its purpose, but anyway, so the guy that's coming to haul off my bag of trash for me wants the couch, so it was a win-win. It's gonna get a good home. It's off the roof. I don't have to worry about it. The turbine's down. Half that work's done for me. So, hey, thanks. Terrifying though, I gotta tell you, it was terrifying. Oh my goodness, it's like an Easter egg hunt. I keep seeing more pieces. This is how far the pieces flew. It splintered and shattered. You see where that is? Look how far that flew. This gives you a better idea. So much shattering. It was pretty violent. It was a pretty violent death he had. He's phallic. That's a he. Poor buddy. So, the blades are easy to replace. Those are relatively inexpensive. Whether or not there was any damage to the motor from the impact, I don't know. But it's only like $150 for 2 of those, so I'm not worried about replacing them. I'm glad that there was not more damage to the motorhome in that, because it was insane. Insane. My couch is down. It found a good home. The turbine is down. The motorhome's intact. We didn't blow away or flip over and didn't sink in the rain. So all in all, win-win.